Assalamu alaikum, this is engineer Ramanullah with you. Today we are on site of 25 by 60 house. This is 2 stories house, then ground floor plus first floor. On top of this house there is one servant quarter. It is two rooms with attached bath and a small kitchen. In previous video I explained roof concrete work. Today I will show you rest of the work done in this house. In front of the house, this one is underground tank for sewerage water. Concreting is not done yet, just excavation is done. And when I enter this house, this is the main hall. This pipe is for AC and this one is electrical pipes. These junctions are for electrical switches. And down these green pipes are for sanitary. Here in this room they have completed plaster work. This is bath. This box is for GB of ground floor. We can see all the pipes which are spreaded in the ground floor slab. These wires will go through these conduits. And in previous video I also showed you how these conduits are spreaded in the roof, in the floor. Now I am on roof floor of this house, and we can see there are two small rooms with attached bath. At the end of this video, in next video, I will share with you all the material used in this house, how much bricks is used, how much cement is used, and steel. I will share all the details with you.